everyone and welcome back to our channel.
Today we're gonna do...
For today's video, we would like to share with you an easy cloud. What we're making? Easy cloud dough.
Please the cloud dough. We have Halloween bowl, flour, soap, but 2 bowls
Yep.
and 2 bowls. We have
1 cup. 1 cup of measurement.
1 cup of measurement,
Yeah.
and we have another spoon there.
Yeah. The ingredient you will need are how many cups is this? 1 cup.
1 cup.
So we're using 2 cups of flour. This corn flour. And 1 cup of
Soap.
no lotion. Lotion. You can also use any lotion, but for today we using what is this called? Using baby oil, baby lotion. You say baby lotion?
Baby lotion.
And food coloring of your choice. Shall we say, let's start?
Let's start.
Alright, Charlie, let's
What's the
open the corn flour. Okay. Do you use this one first? You go. Alright. 1 cup of flour. Put it down. Pour it in your container. And then 1 cup for me.
It feels weird.
What's it feel like? Soft?
Play-Doh.
Feels like a Play-Doh.
Alright, mix it, Charlie. Mixing. Make sure you smell good.
What's it smell like, Charlie?
Yeah, this is good.
Blah, blah. Alright, mix it.
In my hand.
I use my hands. Should I use my hands? Oopsie!
Just stand up, Bob. Oh, yeah, sit down.
Oh, look at that.
Ew.
Yeah, mix it up.
Mix it up so you can put your food coloring in it.
Yeah.
Put it close. Ew, this is gross.
Ooh, it's like a confectionery sugar or something.
It's like a sugar.
It's like a
Taste it,
sugar.
Callie.
So slimy.
So slimy. Now, Charlie, we're gonna add some color. Which color you gonna choose? I'm gonna choose 2 colors. How many colors you wanna choose?
I wanna choose green.
All right, go for it.
I want green and blue and red.
Okay,
Right?
here. Oh, it's a lot. Ooh, and red.
Come here.
And blue. You want a mixed color, huh? I want some yellow and red. Oopsie. And red. Wow, look at this, Charlie. Look at my hands. Wow.
Look at my hands.
It's all the color there. So I got yellow in the other hand. Look at this. Make sure you mix all the ingredients until it forms into dough like this. It's make sure all the ingredients are incorporated, and don't forget to add your colors to make it fun and colorful.
Watching.
See you again next time
Again next time.
for another video. Bye.